Hello Will, it's Zurab here at Vos Motors taking this video especially for you of this 2018 Kawasaki H2. It has only 6,400 kilometers and the price is 26,888 plus HST and licensing. The motorcycle comes fully certified. It has a brand new front and the brand new rear tires replaced at our dealership. The oil change has been done too, so the motorcycle is absolutely perfect and is ready to go. That's guys the engine number, and okay, I'm just trying to show you something if I see any, but it's in absolutely perfect condition. If you have any question regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212 and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.